Hey guys, it's Stand Northbound King Train coming Richmond, Michigan. It's a long one too. Happy Friday, good night. Alright, grandma, here it comes. That scarecrow's gone. Halloween Derby.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the Northbound, November 4th, 2016. Here it comes. Alright, grandma. Here it comes. Stand Northbound. Are you gonna wave at me?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know who wrote that. There was some kids.
Yeah.
Huh. Alright, here it comes. Hope you guys enjoy it. Maybe we'll see another. Oh, by the way, after this one, I'll get the back of it, then I'll get the signal. Sound good? I want you to wave with me. Come on, walk it. Here it comes. Is it the same horn from earlier?
I don't know. Doesn't sound like it. Doesn't sound like it.
Oh, this one's going fast.
Yeah,
Here it comes.
is.
Wave with me. Okay, how many you can get it? I'm gonna look. One engine, it's double stack. Same one?
Is it?
Same one? Awesome. Cool. That's a long one. Right in cool. Not yet, dude. Not yet. No one is down. Don't wait. Nice bird. Nice, cool. Okay, Ryan, this goes fast. The old red for a minute. But we'll wait for you to wake up. Okay? No one out now. Double stack. That's a long one. I thought. Yeah. Now I yeah, I double stack. Yeah. Awesome. Alright. Hi, Grandma. Hi. Oh, that's it. It goes. Okay. No way. Back. Alright guys, that's all for now.